Hello and welcome back to another Understand Your Buy video. In this video, we're talking about the DIY effect. So what is it? Well, the DIY effect occurs when a potential buyer considers meeting their own need rather than using a professional. They think they can quite literally do it themselves. Well, how does it work? Well, it works because the buyer believes it to be the cheapest and easiest option for them. Although oftentimes when you do something yourself, it can lead to delays and costly errors due to a lack of experience or a lack of equipment. But at the moment of making the decision, the buyer can falsely believe that doing it themselves is the most effective, cheapest, quickest, easiest option for them. But how can you use it? What can you do about it? Now, depending on your offering, there's going to be a number of reasons why using a professional can be more advantageous, which you can include in your messaging. The first one is quality or results. Professionals work to a high quality as they have better equipment and better materials. They're capable of doing things that you just can't do. That's why they're professionals. Second one is speed. Professionals tend to work more quickly as they know what to do and have the appropriate equipment. Then, errors. Professionals often get the job done without issue. The DIY approach is going to have unforeseen problems because you're going to be making simple and potentially costly mistakes. And that leads us to the next point, cost. Professionals might charge more, but the value of your time and the cost of materials and any issues can soon mount up. Doing something yourself is never free, as your time and the cost of your errors can soon add up. And it's those elements that are hidden from you and make you falsely believe that doing something yourself is the cheaper and easier option. Then discounts. It's common for professionals to access discounts and trade prices that aren't available to the public. Such discounts can reduce or in some cases completely eliminate what you would actually spend on the services of the professional that's helping you. Then connections. Professionals know other professionals and they know the other services that you might need to help complete the project. They have the contacts, the connections and the network to get the job done. Tools. Professionals have access to the tools and software that you might or just won't have as a consumer. And finally, legal liability. There are some things such as electrical or gas works which actually you can't do yourself. They must be carried out by a professional. Not everything can actually be completed by amateurs. So that is the DIY effect. It occurs when a client believes they don't need you and they can do it themselves. But quite often, as we've seen, DIY can be more time consuming and more expensive for the client, despite appearing to be the cheaper and potentially easier offering. Well, that's it for another Understand Your Buyer video. And if you like this kind of stuff, then you'll definitely like the book, which you can buy at understandyourbuyer.com.